In this video, I am going to show you how to color code tasks in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, there is actually a few ways in order for you to color code tasks, and that depends on the type of tasks that you have or how you created the tasks section. You want to go to the left-hand side where you will find your navigation panel, and then you want to head over to the tasks page or the specific page in which you have all of your tasks. Within here, you will actually see that I have a database as a task. And to actually add a color code within the database itself, or within the task itself, what we can do is add a status property. And to do that, you just want to go to the right-hand side where you will see the plus button to add a property. Be sure to click on that. And then you either want to add a priority level or a status. Now, to color code each and every type of text, I want to add a priority level. And then what we can do is move this by clicking or hovering through the property itself and then holding and dragging into wherever you want it to be. I want to make it into the first one here, and to not make it as big as you want it to be, you could also adjust the side level in here. Now, for each and every property, we could actually add a option. As you can see, the box itself is actually customizable, and you can change the color. If you do add a lot of priority levels within this column in here, if you click on one priority, it will actually show you all the priorities that you listed down. To change the color of this one, you just want to hover to the right-hand side of an option, click on the three dots, and then you could actually select a specific color. Let's say for high priority, I want to make it into red. For medium priority, I want to make it into blue. Now, if we change the options in here, it will automatically change into the color. And that's about it. That's how to color code tasks in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.